Dogecoin holders, I've got a video for you guys. Today we're going to talk about Doge and where I think the price could be headed here. So without further ado, welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that bell, hit that like, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys. So we're starting off here on CoinDesk. Dogecoin XRP sinks 7% as Trump tariffs threatens dent markets. Bitcoin options expiry looms, guys. Yes. As of today, the past couple of days, we've been seeing a little bit of relief in the traditional market. But today, guys, we were met with a big red bloody day. Ethereum came down below 1,800. Bitcoin wicked, I think, down below 84K. And guys, Bitcoin demonstrated basically 63% right now. We saw quite a sell-off across the board. And guys, we're going to take a look at why that's happening. But on the traditional market, it really is what is bringing us down here. But looking at Dogecoin, okay, we have tested this important resistance level and we are rejecting off. Okay, guys, it's really unfortunate that right now, really, it's all comes down to the traditional market because it's all this uncertainty with these tariff talks. It's all this quantitative tightening suppressing the markets. The macroeconomics of the world look pretty bleak, unfortunately. It's been a long time since basically the world economy has been so negative. But I do think that we are getting closer and closer to some relief here. But in the meantime, we did come and test this here at about 20 cents on Doge. And I do expect us to probably break down and test this level at 16.5 cents, guys. On the daily time frame, I do think that there's a high likelihood that we come and test this. You look at Market Cipher as well. Money flows in the red. It is starting to come lower, though, and that's what I'm saying. There's relief coming sooner rather than later. Guys, we only have 3 days left until Q1 close. I think Q2 we're going to have some relief. I mean, I'd be completely honest, if we have another 4 months of red, I just don't think that is possible unless we are in the full-blown bear market, guys. And I don't think we're there yet. I don't. The bear market, I'm not ready to call a bear market until the fat lady sings, and that is Q4 2025. So I do expect some relief here in the next coming months. But in the short term, I would not be surprised to see this spill over, considering the traditional market is flashing some warning signals, which we're going to talk about shortly. But guys, if you do want to take advantage of this volatility, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Blowfin. You get a $5,000 sign-in bonus as well as some fantastic rewards. The more trading volume you get, the more rewards you get. So I think if you trade like $10 million in trading volume, which is not that much if you're using leverage, you can get like a Rolex, like $9,400 Rolex. There's all these other prizes you can get as well. So feel free to check that out. But guys, looking at Doge here, we're sitting at rank 8, 18 cents, up about 8.3% in the past 7 days, down about 3% in the past 24 hours. Not much is going on, but the entire market is really pushing this down. Anytime we see a little bit of green, we get smacked down. That's what's been playing out here. Sitting at $27 billion market cap, all-time high. This cycle was about a $66 billion with a B. If you were to measure from the top to where we are right now, I think we sold off about 65%, but let's make sure. Let's double check here. We sold off at the worst. We were down about 71%, and now we are at about. We came out when we touched 20 cents. It was about a 57% drawdown, and now we're at about a 63% drawdown. Guys, I expect there's a chance that we can come down, and we could come all the way down, honestly, to the yellow support trend, the bullish trend line. We could come all the way down to say like 12, 13 cents. And I'd be probably looking at a opportunity in that situation, especially if the traditional market starts to get a little bit of a bid here into Q2, which I think there's a good chance that we do see that play out. So, like I said, we need to be talking about Bitcoin here because Bitcoin, really all the coins are trading on top of each other. It's all like one and the same right now for the majority of big cap coins, especially Doge. Doge is the 8th largest coin, the number 1 meme coin, guys. What's happening on Bitcoin and what's happening on Dogecoin? Testing key resistance, all right? And rejecting off of it. I've been saying for a while now, we got to be keeping our eyes on 88K and 94K. And honestly, anything below 94,000, basically even 95,000 if you want to call for a potential bull trap, 95K, anything below that is a lower high, guys, and I do expect more pressure the downside. I really want to see us come and tap 73K before we start to bounce and head our way to new all-time highs. So I'm really keeping my eyes out on this because anything below 95K on daily, weekly candle closing bases, it's probably a lower high and probably looking for more selling off. So that's why I really want to put that out there, guys. So the S&P 500, the traditional market. I know we're talking about Dogecoin. Why does this matter, you may ask, Black Sea? Why does the traditional market matter? Why does that matter for my doggy coins? I'm going to explain. This is really what's been spooking the market, okay? These tariffs, and we've been selling off. This is a waterfall, okay? You don't really see this in the traditional market. It does look that we want to be testing the previous March lows. That's looking like what's going to happen here in the next week or so. And that's okay. We can do that, guys. We can do that. We can come and test that. It's going to bring the market down with us. It's going to bring Dogecoin. We're going to bring crypto down with it. But I am looking for a potential double bottom there into Q2. A little bit of a W pattern. That's something I would be looking for. Now, if we break below the March low here, then things could get a little ugly. You know, I need to be transparent with you guys. You know, here at the Crypto Report, I'm always transparent. I'm not always just going to be a moon boy. I'm going to tell you guys what I'm seeing and what I think could happen here. And if we do close below, like, say, 5,500, we could come down to 5,000 on the S&P 500, which will be quite a bloody sell-off. But I will be honest, if we reach 5,000, I am going to be buying everything. I am going to be buying Bitcoin. I'm going to be buying meme coins. I'm going to be buying equities. I am going to be buying hand over fist if we reach 5,000 because that will be a significant sell-off and people are going to be crying that the sky is falling when that happens, if that happens. But I am keeping my eyes out on March lows. If we break below March lows, that is where I'm looking for a test of $5,000 S&P 500, which would be brutal. It would be bloody. But I think that will be the beginning, I should say, the end of this sell-off and the beginning of something much greater. And over on Crypto Twitter, follow me at 333BlackSea. I say, someone either nuke the charts or send us to the moon. This place gets insufferable during sideways price action. And boy, oh boy, that is the truth, guys. I am ready for the S&P 500 to either tank down to 5,000 or get a nice bounce and catch a bid at 5,500, and that will set us up to seeing Dogecoin. Like if let's pretend the S&P 500 reaches 5,000, we probably break below the bullish trend here. We probably break below 10 cents. We probably even test like 8 cents. I think 8 cents would be a good price level to be looking at if we broke on the S&P 500. But guys, if we only come to 5,500, maybe we just come and test 12 cents. It probably won't even come that low. Probably more like 16 cents where I'm already calling for. And then we catch a bounce. It's going to probably bring Dogecoin back up and probably clear all these support and resistance levels at about 25 cents. So you need to be paying very close attention to what is going on in the traditional market, especially right now, especially all this crazy macro talk, all these tariffs, spooking everybody, making everybody want to leave the risk-on assets. Guys, when everyone leaves, that's when the greatest opportunities open up. So please stay vigilant and keep your eyes wide open because there will be some fantastic opportunities. The bloodier it gets, if you can stomach that pain, you can get rewarded. That's all I got, guys. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that bell. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.